All right, we're test driving a car. What do we have here?
1991 Acura Legend LS sedan, 4-speed automatic, 87,000 miles.
87,524.
524 on
Go.
it. This Legend just made a trek all the way from the East Coast. It came out of Delaware, was sold to a friend of mine in Maryland, and he is the proud owner after having done a little bit of light restoration and just really on the mechanicals. The car was already very, very well preserved. Super low miles for the year. It's a 31-year-old car with only 87,000 miles. Top trim, and most importantly, a very rare color combo. This is a Type C, they call it, blue interior. They only offer this for one model year, and the car is about as smooth as they get for a 91. Just taking a little cruise here through the neighborhood in Wichita, Kansas. Hope I don't hit it. Birds on the way.
Go.
Let's see where this loop goes. Car's rock solid mechanically. It's got working electronics, everything except this ABS light. Great suspension, smooth shifts. Pretty tight car overall. Definitely tell it's been preserved, and then the backstory on it really speaks for itself. The car was well maintained. All stock, completely original configuration, and has turned a lot of heads this week at the 17th Annual National Acura Legend Meet. We had about 20 cars in attendance, and this was one of 5 that were selected to be featured inside the Acura showroom. And it looked right at home in there.